Sharath, I am gonna show you how to checkmate in 8 moves. Now if we move knight, our queen will go. But that's the rule. So we are gonna go here. Now he'll kill our queen. Now there only everyone will think I am noob. So we are gonna go here. Now it's a check. Now he cannot kill me. He will take my knight because he's in check. If he kill me, actually can't because my knight is protected. Is protecting my bishop. So his only move is to go here and our knight will come here. Now it's a checkmate. If we go here, our bishop is there. If we go here, our knight. If we go here, again our bishop. Even he cannot go, our knight is there. So it's a checkmate.